Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the I Do Care Cake My Day Hydrating Sprinkle Wash Off Mask. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So I got this product at Ulta. It retails for $25 and let's just read about it. Should I read the box? Okay, so it says it's a cooling, soft, creamy ice cream mask that is a sweet treat for the skin. Have sprinkles in the morning or at night using this formula infused with hyaluronic acid, squalane, and glacier water to deeply nourish the complexion with moisture. Glacier. I just said glacier, didn't I? Directions. Use the spatula to apply a generous, even layer to the skin. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Mask will not dry. Good to know. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water while massaging the skin in circular motions. Okay, let me see if Ulta says anything different. Just pretty much says the same thing. It's supposed to provide deep hydration and improve moisture retention. And then it says you can cake your day 2 to 3 times a week. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free. Does not contain silicones and it's for all skin types. That's the only thing extra that Ulta says. So let's go ahead and get it out of here. The reason I bought this is because when I was in the store, I could smell with the tester. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells like cake batter. It smells so good. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if it's gonna show with my lights. Let me turn them down. You can kind of see it better so you can see the sprinkles. Okay, that looks scary. Let's turn that back up. Okay. Oh my god. So I'm going to apply it. It said to apply it with a spatula. Oh, it does come with one. So it does come with a little baby spatula. I don't really like these, so I'm just going to use the one I have. This is by e.l.f. It's just a silicone one. So let's apply it, and it says a generous amount. Oh my god, that's cold. Oh, it's so cold.
It's so funny to see all the like little sprinkles in it.
It says apply generous. Maybe I shouldn't have used this kind because it's not wanting to. Oh, leave it in one spot. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's so cold. Which is weird. It's been sitting in my beauty room, which is not a cold room. Oh, it's so cold, so cold, so cold. When I sniff in here, I smell more cake batter than I do when it's on my face. I can still smell it, but it's not as intense as I thought it would be, which is probably good because then I'd be craving cake batter. So I'm gonna go ahead. This says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go edit another video and I will be back. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off before I come back, and then when we come back, I'll tell you my final thoughts or my immediate thoughts. Okay, and we're back. So obviously I feel like this kind of product, especially when it comes to skincare, you don't really know right away. So far though, I like how my skin feels. It does still feel like there's like some moisture left behind. I will say, because they told you to put a generous amount, it was a little hard to get off just because I felt like I kept taking some off and there's still a layer. So it was a little harder to get off because I felt like putting a generous amount made it harder, but that's also what the directions said. And maybe that's why there's some, you know, residual left, but I feel like it's good residual. The little sprinkles in there, I barely could feel them when I was like massaging and taking it off. So if anything, maybe they'll do a little bit of exfoliating, but probably nothing really because, like I said, I barely could feel it. So far, I really like it. I'm definitely going to keep using it and see if it does make a difference. I will tell you, I couldn't smell the cake batter smell when I was sitting. But when I kept getting up and walking, the wind from walking kept blowing it in my face, and oh, it smells so good. So if you don't want to be tempted to eat cake batter while wearing this, just sit, don't move. But yeah, I think it's pretty good. I'll definitely keep trying it. If you want me to do a follow-up later after using it more, if I still think it's good, let me know. But that is all I have for this video, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.